Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more again. Doing an update on Lucid Motors, which y'all already know is Churchill Capital Corp. The merger happened during that SPAC startup. So here we go. Analysis. Time to do it. But yeah, so in the last analysis I did, the first analysis I did, it was here. None of this happened. So we drew the levels in. We knew everything was going to end up being bearish. It made it down to the support level. What I spoke of, we knew it was still bearish. And right now, it's doing a move to the upside, and it went into the area of support, came out of the area, and that was the area of a buy. Now we're gonna look and see how far it may move to the upside. I may do another analysis on it, but this is just a quick update on current market conditions and what really happened in the market. I may do another analysis on this pair and and continue to update on this pair. On this stock. But that's the update. Everything played out exactly the way I said it would. The market was bearish. It continued bearish in this bearish downside movement. It reached the support level. It did the bounce. And this is where we stand at today. So this is the update, you guys. Alex Jenkins checking out.